When the weather warms up, all I feel like is grilled meat on the barbecue, fresh salads, and Leah is here to show us one of her fantastic recipes from your app. It's all about healthy, delicious food, and delicious is the important word here.
Very much so. So this is a lamb with burst tomato salad. Very fresh, got mint, coriander. It's very spring, summer. Barbecue vibes.
I love it already.
All right, so if we're gonna get started, we can do some tomatoes with some olive oil and salt in a pan, just to make them just burst and get all that nice flavour. And while you are doing that, I'm gonna make our marinade for the lamb. I've been olive oil in a bowl with some salt.
Okay.
So once that's all mixed, we can throw them straight into the oven.
Okay, I'll get them in.
Could I have that pepper, please?
Yes.
And then while I'm making this, do you want to pick some leaves of the nice herbs that we've got?
Absolutely.
So coriander and mint. I use both. I just love mint in salad. It's my jam.
I hear you. And just the mint coriander combo is so nice, isn't it?
It is the absolute best. So I'm adding rosemary in here, rosemary and lamb. The ideal combo.
Absolutely.
Straight into some garlic too. And then we coat the lamb straight into that.
Okay, and what kind of lamb do you like to use?
So this is a lamb backstrap. It's one of my favourites because it is so lean and it's such an easy one to cook. It cooks in no time, but also you're not fiddling around with the fat bits is what I call them. All the bits.
I love the fat bits.
The fat bits, I mean, they do taste good, but I feel like sometimes when you just want a quick and easy dinner and slice them, it's almost like feels like a steak.
Absolutely.
It's just easy.
Yeah.
I need a little spoon to put that on top.
There we
go.
go.
Mine. Thank you so much.
Okay.
How good does this smell?
Smells
Straight
so
onto
good.
some delicious lamb. So we're going to put that straight onto the pan, cook that. Garlic and lamb, rosemary, ideal situation.
I hear you.
Grab some tongs and put them straight onto here.
There we go.
So I'm going to get all the good bits down the bottom as well.
And we've brought that lamb out of the fridge about 40 minutes ago. You don't want to be freezing cold when it goes into the pan. If you do that, then it's going to be too rare. You want it to cook quite evenly.
So we're going to put it straight onto the pan and then cook it to how you like it. I like it mine a little bit like medium well. I know that's a bit sometimes controversial, but I like it. So while that's cooking, we'll just pick some herbs and get our salad ready.
Yep.
And we're good to go. Sounds great. Lamb looks beautiful. Would you like to slice that up?
I would love to.
It smells delicious. I'm going to start making the salad. So I'm just going to cut some cucumber up. We've got our extras, our onion and our spinach. Such an easy recipe.
Yeah.
Very Mediterranean coded, this recipe.
Absolutely. And look, there's no potatoes with it, there's no rice. And you could.
You could, absolutely.
But you could be quite full with this because this meat is just lovely and rich. And look how perfectly cooked that is.
Yeah, that is. That looks really yum. Yeah, I mean, if you wanted to keep you a little bit fuller for longer, you could add some brown rice to the salad mix and that would just make it an extra little something.
Yeah.
But you don't have to, and it's just a very light, easy meal.
Absolutely.
So with the salad, I'm going to go some spinach, some cucumber. I like a lot of cucumber because I feel like it just gives a little crunch in each one.
Yep.
So I'm going to grab some onion. You can pop some in there.
Yes.
Well, I'll do the mint. So again, kind of however much you like out of these types of things for a single serve. And then for dressing, very simple, very Mediterranean, olive oil, lemon and salt.
Okay.
Or a balsamic. If you don't have lemon, balsamic vinegar or something like that will definitely do. Yeah. But such an easy one.
We're not reinventing the wheel here. We're just reinforcing those lovely fresh flavours that we crave in the warmer months.
Yeah.
A drizzle of olive oil.
And this is so good, especially in those warmer months where you just want something easy.
Yeah. Tell you what, if you eat this, you feel so fresh and ready to go to the gym.
Yeah, that's right. Absolutely. So then I'm just going to serve it straight onto a plate. We're going to do this. You can actually put the tomatoes into this bowl and let all that juices flow, but whatever's the easiest for you.
I like the idea of, because they're so soft, is putting them on it afterwards.
Yeah,
so
I kind of like it making it look a little bit pretty too. Cute. Like it gives me a little bit excitement when your meals look good and then you want to eat them just as much.
Definitely.
But then that lamb just goes straight on the top.
And that backstrap, I think it's enough for two, depending on how many you are.
yeah.
But it is quite a rich meat, so half per person.
Perfect. Now, if it was just me, a little bit of lemon on top, a little bit of salt sprinkle on the lamb just to finish, to make it look a bit extra. Look at that. I need to have a taste.
I need to have a taste too.
Me first.
for it.
Looks delicious. I'm just gonna go for a tomato, just something easy.
I'm going for the lot. Tomato, lamb.
Put it all together.
Yeah.
Now I'm jealous.
It's good. It's so good.
It's so good.
It's just all those fresh flavours that we just crave. And when summer hits, this is always on the menu. Leah,
100%.
perfection.